Hello everyone. Our today's video on United Kingdom's immigration system. The UK's point-based immigration system and introductions for employers. From 1st January 2021, free movement will end and the United Kingdom will introduce a point-based immigration system. The new system will treat European and non-European citizens equally and transform the way in which all migrants come to the United Kingdom for work. Under a point-based immigration system, points are assigned for specific skills, qualifications, salaries, and shortage of occupations. Visas are then awarded to those who gain enough points. The point-based system will provide simple, effective, and flexible arrangements for skilled workers from around the world to come to the UK through an employer-led system. This represents a significant change for employers in the United Kingdom who need to adapt. This guide provides an overview of the new system and sets out the steps employers can take to prepare. European citizens already living in the United Kingdom. The new system will not apply to European citizens living in the United Kingdom by 31st December 2020. They and their family members are eligible to apply to the European Settlement Scheme and have until 30th of June 2021 to make an application. As a transition measures, employers can continue to accept the passport and national identity card of European citizens as an evidence of their work and right to live in the United Kingdom until 30th of June 2021. Skilled workers. From 1st January 2021, anyone coming to the United Kingdom to work will need to demonstrate that they have a job offer from a Home Office approved sponsor. Second, the job offer is at the required level skills. The third one is they can speak English. In addition to this, if they earn more than the required minimum salary threshold, they are eligible to make an application. If they earn less than the required minimum threshold but not less than £20,000, they may still be eligible if they can demonstrate that they have a job offer in a specific shortage occupation or a PhD relevant to the job. The general minimum salary threshold will be £25,600. Identifying whether a job meets the required skill level. Jobs have a corresponding standard occupational classification, which is SOC code. You can use the ONS Occupations coding tool to identify the relevant SOC code for your job. For more information, you can visit gov.uk. Here is the points categories where you can get points accordingly. Please check carefully all the categories where you can get your points. Total 70 minimum points is needed to be able to apply to work in the United Kingdom. Highly skilled workers. From January 2021, the current global talent route will be open to European citizens on the same basis as non-European citizens. This means the most highly skilled who can achieve the required level of points will be able to enter to the UK without a job offer if they are endorsed by the relevant competent authority. In the longer term, an unsponsored route for highly skilled workers will be introduced. This would allow a small number of the most highly skilled workers to come to the UK without a job offer. Lower skilled workers. There will not be an immigration route specifically for those who do not meet the skills or salary threshold for the skilled worker route. The new immigration system provides greater flexibility for employers that changes the salaries and skill threshold. Employers can also benefit from the Youth Mobility Scheme. The UK has arrangements in place with 8 countries and territories to enable around 20,000 young people to come to the UK each year. Other routes. Initiatives are also being brought forward for scientists, graduates, and NHS workers, which will provide businesses with additional flexibility. A new graduate immigration route will be available to international students who have completed a degree in the United Kingdom for summer 2021. This will enable international students to remain in the UK and work at any skill level for 2 years after they have completed their studies. Thank you very much for watching upcoming Word TV.